Welcome to our channel. In this video, we're diving into HVAC, the technology that keeps our spaces comfortable. Whether you're a student, technician, or just curious, this is your complete beginner's guide to HVAC. Step by step, I'll guide you through real-life systems, from split ACs to industrial chillers. I'll share tips that no one teaches in books, so make sure to watch till the end. Every second is packed with valuable knowledge. Let's begin our HVAC journey. What does HVAC mean? HVAC stands for heating, ventilation, and air conditioning. These systems move air between indoor and outdoor spaces. They heat in winter, cool in summer, and keep air fresh year-round. So next time you enjoy a comfy room, thank your HVAC. Importance of HVAC. Step 1. It keeps your indoor temperature perfect, no matter the season. Step 2. It controls humidity, so you can breathe easy. Step 3. It filters out dust and harmful particles, ensuring healthy air. A good HVAC system means a healthier, more energy-efficient home. Let's break down the main components of an HVAC system. First up, the thermostat, the brain of the operation. Next, the furnace or heat pump, your main source of heat. Then, the air conditioner, keeping things cool when it heats up. Don't forget the ductwork, the highways for air distribution, ventilation system, ensuring fresh air circulates. Finally, filters and registers, keeping the air clean and flowing. Ever wonder how air conditioning keeps you cool? It removes heat from inside and releases it outside. This magic happens through a refrigeration cycle with 4 key parts. First, the compressor pressurizes the refrigerant. Next, the condenser releases the heat outside. Then, the expansion valve cools the refrigerant down. Finally, the evaporator coil absorbs heat from your room. And just like that, you're chilling in comfort. Ever wonder how big buildings stay cool? Meet the chiller system. It's a powerhouse that removes heat from water, cooling the air inside. There are 2 main types, air-cooled and water-cooled chillers. Air-cooled chillers use fans to disperse heat, perfect for smaller spaces. Water-cooled chillers are more efficient, using water to transfer heat. Both types ensure comfort in large buildings and industrial settings. So next time you feel that cool breeze indoors, thank the chiller system. HVAC systems are everywhere, keeping us comfortable and safe. From homes to offices, they regulate temperature and air quality. Hospitals rely on them for critical patient care environments. Airports and shopping malls use them to manage large crowds. Data centers need them to cool down powerful servers. Even trains and airplanes depend on HVAC for passenger comfort. So next time you feel that perfect breeze, thank an HVAC system. In the world of HVAC, having the right tools is essential. A professional HVAC technician relies on manifold gauges to measure pressure. Multimeters are crucial for checking electrical circuits. Leak detectors help find refrigerant leaks quickly and efficiently. Pipe cutters ensure clean cuts for precise fittings. Vacuum pumps are used to remove air and moisture from systems. Digital thermometers provide accurate temperature readings. With these tools, HVAC technicians keep systems running smoothly. Is your HVAC system acting up again? Don't worry, You're not alone. Here are some common issues. Clogged filters can restrict airflow, so check and replace them regularly. Low refrigerant levels might mean a leak, so call a professional. If your thermostat's on the fritz, it might just need new batteries. Noisy units could be a sign of loose parts, so tighten them up. And if you see water leakage, it might be a clogged drain line. Stay cool and keep your HVAC running smoothly. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. In our next videos, we'll dive deep into how AC gas charging works, how chillers are maintained, and much more. Stay tuned for more insights and tips.